My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 BMW 2 Series. This vehicle has done 61,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control, automatic wipers, and automatic headlights. On our screen, we can access media, communication, map, and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our dual zone climate control, as well as our mode button. This allows us to change between sport, comfort, and Eco Pro. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have 7 seats in total, all of which have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.